Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily remove password protection from a PDF using ABBYY FineReader. Let's begin. First, open ABBYY Reader. So I got over here, ABBYY Reader. Then wait for a few seconds for it to load. You just need to click on PDF document, access your password protected file. Have one here, click open and enter the password. So it could be 1234, anything will do. So over here, I have now accessed my document. In order to remove this, simply click on security, password security, then just uncheck this, uncheck that, click OK, and you're done. You can also access it over here on the main menu, security, password security, and the same. Just make sure to uncheck these two, click OK, and you are done. For example, if I'm going to reopen the file, open PDF document, same file from earlier, open, and there you go. It doesn't require any password. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.